A bill that would make Tennessee public schools require students to show documentation of U.S. citizenship or legal status is making its way forward in the General Assembly.
The bill is co-sponsored by Senator Rusty Crowe. It would allow public school systems to charge tuition to students who aren't documented, in addition to requiring all students to show documentation.
News Channel 11's Jeff Keeling explains why education leaders take issue with the bill and what it could mean for families going forward.
The legal status of children who attend Tennessee public schools isn't known, whether they're citizens, non-citizens, here legally or not legally. It's not a question that's asked. A bill in the Tennessee legislature could change that.
Any student or child 18 or under that comes into our school system, we enroll them and we educate them.
Unicoi County Schools Administrator Mike Riddell said that's been the case nationwide for decades.
That's based upon federal statute, federal law for free appropriate education as interpreted by the court system up to this point in time.
A bill that's passed one Senate committee would let school systems charge tuition to undocumented students and mandate statewide that every student's legal status be proven at enrollment.
I think it clearly flies in the face of established precedent set by the Supreme Court in 1982 in Pyler versus Doe.
Attorney McKenna Cox thinks that precedent is what some lawmakers may be looking to get back in front of the courts.
Have that bill go up and eventually, hopefully, make it to the Supreme Court on a writ of certiorari and be heard and re-examine that.
Sponsors, Johnson City Senator Rusty Crowe is one, say it's about helping school systems offset rising costs for teaching English as a second language.
We've had a little bit of an uptick in the number of students, but not enough that we can't fund it or take care of it.
Riddell worries about other fallout from each school system maintaining a list of undocumented students.
My biggest fear is on the front end, they just wouldn't enroll them in school because they would know that that was going to be required of them upon enrollment.
National Teacher of the Year Missy Testerman, an ESL teacher from Rogersville, sees a couple of additional problems. Regulatory burden on schools.
They're not experts on the authenticity of paperwork, and it's going to put another burden on school systems to comply with regulatory things when our focus needs to be on educating our students.
And Tennessee's future prosperity.
Moves like this are just going to demonstrate that we're not serious about educating all of our students. And on down the road, that will affect the types of industry that move into Tennessee.
The bill's House version is up for a committee vote Tuesday. In Johnson City, Jeff Keeling, News Channel 11.